Window films provide and create a comfortable environment. However, its defects affect us, such as bubbling, which affects the vision, fading, which affects quality and performance, signal interruptions impacting communications, edge oxidation affecting the product quality, adhesive lines cause blurred vision and affecting road safety. Now, with the intellectual property rights of the 6+1 hot melt film, adopting the patented formula INT-CL-C08L33/04. With the revolutionary breakthrough in the manufacturing process and its patented formula, the window film quality is brought to new heights. The 6+1 hot melt film not only successfully addresses the above problems, but also has the following 6 features: prevent skin cancer, maintain skin beauty, provide strong communication signal, protect the eyes, no fading, and no BA adhesive, equals 6+1 hot melt film. Let's do some demonstrations. Experiment 1. We use a testing card and a testing lamp to demonstrate eye protection. First, place the UV400 6+1 hot melt film in front of the testing card. Then replace that another brand's film. You notice that the red eyes reappear. This shows that our UV400 6+1 hot melt film has the function protecting the eyes. Experiment 2. We will perform a demonstration showing skincare. First, using the UV400 6+1 hot melt film, you notice that UV is totally blocked off, achieving the efficacy of skincare. Then, using another brand's film, you see clear penetration, resulting in zero skincare. Experiment 3. We will use the visa in a passport to test against radiation. With this test, you will see the blocking effects of the UV400 6+1 hot melt film. However, with the other brands of film, you will clearly see the watermark on the visa, showing no radiation rejection. Experiment 4. We will demonstrate protection against blue light. With other brands of film, blue light is not blocked off, while the UV400 6+1 hot melt film blue light is blocked off. Experiment 5. We will demonstrate the harmful effects of radiation from sunlight on the human body. We can see that the harmful light penetrates the other brands of film directly onto the human body. But the UV400 6+1 hot melt film blocks off the harmful light, playing a role in the protection of the human body. The production of the hot melt window film consists of formulation of the patented formula, industry experts to ensure that patented formula is accurate, master batch manufacturing. The patented formula will be assimilated into the PET particles. Master batch mixing ratio. Using custom-built machinery, the master batch mix is distributed systematically. Biaxial-oriented base film. Using internationally advanced equipment, ensuring a perfect 6+1 hot melt base film. Surface hard coating and additional release film. The process is carried out without the BA composite adhesive, which completely solves the adhesive line issue. Automated slitting, laser security marking, fully computerized intelligent monitoring, ensuring the highest quality. The 6+1 hot melt film has 6 major selling points. First, powerful features. Second, stable quality. Third, innovative process. Fourth, variety of choices. Fifth, flexible business cooperation modes. Sixth, strong technical support. The above 6 major selling points will greatly increase your sales. Do you worry unnecessarily because of the quality of your window film? Are you distressed because of market competition? Do you lose sleep because of the lack of customer base? Contact us now. ODM and OEM are welcome. Dear friends, we are ready to serve you.